We are all having to change the way we work,
Many of us are having to work from home or work alone.
as we are usually part of a larger team.
Or at different hours to help us practice social distancing.
But others in the community,
NHS staff, carers, police, fire service, supermarket workers,
And many more are carrying on working on the front line.
so they can look after us, our friends and our families.
we all have our part to play in this. So stay home.
Protect the NHS.
And save lives.
Thank you, NHS.
Thank you, NHS.
thank you NHS.
Thank you, NHS.
Thank you, NHS.
Thank you, carers.
Thank you, carers.
Thank you, carers.
And thank you all key workers.
Thank you, key workers.
Thank you, key workers. Thank you, NHS. Thank you, key workers.